Hi everybody, I'm so excited because this Nulaxy swiveling laptop stand has just arrived, and for someone who works from home, I am so excited about this. You can adjust it higher, you can adjust it lower, whatever works for you to have the most convenient workday. So let's open it up and set it up, and I just want to share a little bit more about why this product is so awesome. This Nulaxy laptop stand is so easy to use and great for so many different scenarios in your life because it is an adjustable laptop stand and can go up to 21 inches tall. It also has a 360-degree rotating base, so it swivels around, making it great for group projects or working from home or working from the office as well. It adjusts and collapses into a tiny little space, so it's also easy to store, and the quality is undeniable. As soon as this comes out of the box, you know this is a really, really high quality item. So this is a 14-inch laptop. And how cool is it that it just fits so well in here? There's even more room up here if you have a bigger laptop. It has room on either side as well. So you could definitely put a larger computer on here. So between having a swivel base and being adjustable, it just makes it so that you can really customize this to however you need it to work. And you don't have to worry about your computer slipping off because it has these little pieces that really hold your computer in place. It also has a grip on the bottom, so as it's swiveling and stuff, it's not sliding all over your desk or anything, and it stays put. It can hold laptops from 10 to 17 inches in size and can hold up to 22 pounds, making it great whether you're sitting and working or if you prefer to stand and get your work done that way. Being able to rotate 360 degrees and tilt it at any angle makes it so convenient to use. Overall, I love this Nulaxy laptop riser. It is so convenient. It eliminates me needing any desk riser. I can adjust it to however I need. It's great for when I'm working at home, for if I want to watch a movie. There are just so many different ways to use this, and I just love how easy it is to adjust and how many different ways I can adjust it. It's also really nice because it rotates really easily. So no matter what I'm doing, no matter how I'm working, it is really helpful. So I definitely would recommend checking out this Nulaxy laptop stand that is adjustable, especially if you work from home or just want a little bit more convenience in your life.